Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into a really cool topic, React Flip Animations. If you've ever wanted to make your React components smoothly transition and animate, then this video is for you. Let's flip the script on how you think about UI animations. Let's start with the HTML. Our entire React application will be rendered inside this single div with the ID of app. This is where our grid and the flip animations will live. This might seem minimal, but it's the foundation upon which our entire flip animation will be built. Next up, CSS. We're using a special layer called Flippable to handle the transition and animation effects. This layer controls the smooth flipping animation of our grid items. The .flippable_root data flip selector is where the transition happens. We're using a 0.4 second cubic Bezier transition to give our animations a natural feel. The transform origin is set to the top left, which means the flip starts from this point. When the data flip attribute is set to invert, we override the transition with specific transformations. This allows us to invert the element's position, scaling it based on the difference in size and position calculated by JavaScript. We also define root styles for colors, fonts, and layout, which give our grid its aesthetic look. Now for the fun part, the JavaScript. We start by importing React and React DOM, along with some helper functions. The key component here is Flippable. This component wraps each grid item and manages the flip animations. The use Flippable ref hook is what makes the magic happen. It tracks the element's position before and after state changes. The flip transition begins with start flip transition. This function triggers the transition, calculates the position and size differences, and then applies the necessary transformations to create a smooth flip. In the grid example component, we define our grid layout and manage the shuffling of items. Notice how we're using start flip transition to animate the movement of items within the grid. This ensures that every time an item changes position, it flips smoothly to its new spot, and that's how you create smooth, eye-catching flip animations in React. By combining CSS transitions with JavaScript logic, you can add a layer of polish to your UI that users will love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!